Okay, this is question 11. A, B, C, and D are points in a circle. A, B, C, and D. Okay, that's very good. A, B, C, D is a square of side 7 centimeter. If this side is 7 centimeters, so this side is 7, this side is 7, and this side too is 7. Work out the total area of the shaded region. This is the shaded region. I need to work out the area, so the area of the shaded region is supposed to be the area of the circle minus the area of square. Area of square is, I can easily get it by just squaring the side. 7 squared, because 7 here times 7 here is going to be 7 squared, and I'm going to get the area of the square easily. But how to get the area of a circle? Area of a circle is pi r squared. How to get r? These are not radii, guys. These are chords. I need to get the radius, which is, this is the diameter, and the radius is half of it. So this is the radius. So again, I need to get the radius, so I'll draw this side to get the diameter. Then when I get the diameter, I'm going to divide it by 2 to get the radius. I'm going to label this side is 7, this side is 7 too. And because this is a square, so this side is, because this is a square, so all the sides are 90 degrees. This angle is 90. So I'm going to find it by the Pythagoras. So dB. Here, I'm going to first, before any step, I'm going to identify the sides. This side is in front of this angle, 90, so it's going to be the hypotenuse. And this is the A, and this is B, like these two random sides. So I know that the hypotenuse is the square root of A squared plus B squared. So dB is 7 squared plus 7 squared. Okay? Okay. After doing this, I'm going to write it on the calculator. It's going to be root 7 squared plus 7 squared. It's going to be 7 root 2. I'm going to write it exact to avoid rounding the numbers. So it's going to be 7 root 2 centimeters. This is the hypotenuse. This is the diameter. So the radius, it's half the diameter. It is, and I know that the diameter is half dB. The diameter is dB. So the radius is going to be half dB. So it's 7 root 2 divide by 2. So to also avoid over-rounding, I'm going to just write it 7 root 2 over 2. If you want to write it as a decimal, make sure that it's 6 decimal places. This is the radius. Okay, so here let's return back to the parent equation, which we're going to use. So it's going to be, okay, the area will equal to area of the circle, which is pi times 7 root 2 all over 2 to the power of 2 minus s squared, which is 7 squared. So it equals to 7 squared is 49. It's going to be pi 7 root 2 over 2 minus 49. So it's going to be, I'm going to write it on the calculator, pi times 7 root 2 over 2 to the power of, all to the power of 2. This is going to be minus 49. So it's going to be to the nearest whole number 28. The area is 28 centimeter squared. The area is 28, and that would be the final answer.